What is up, guys? Welcome back to another freaking video, and you're probably like, why do you always start out right over here? Well, I'm gonna change to Franklin, so shut the fuck up. Damn, you're so annoying. Okay, well, anyways, yeah, I uploaded yesterday, which was good. I know it's only been, it hasn't been, one day yet, but if you're watching this when it has, then it has, or it's been years. Anyways.
That's like 6 burgers right there.
Okay. What I'm gonna do today is, I thought I could go through that. Okay. I do a bunch of shit. What? Who's this? Alright, find out about yourself. What? Oh, whatever. Alright, so today we are going to actually, this is a stunt day. So we're gonna basically do a bunch of stunts. Cool ones. So let's try some out. First of all, okay, that's gonna be hard, but well, whatever. Okay, yeah. God, today was so. Oh, and by the way, my making videos time will be around. Wow, that was a fucking dumbass move. My video time will probably be around 4 or 5 o'clock. So just keep that in mind. 4, 5, or 6. Depends on when I make it and if I have technical difficulties, yeah. And if I die.
Man, I'm sorry.
I just bitch slapped that guy when I went by. I was like, okay. Oh god! Okay, what are we gonna do? Oh, isn't there a Ferrari nearby? Let me get to the Ferrari. Ferrari and Brian 3. Sorry. Aw, god damn it, it's not in here. But a car is. I'm sick of this stupid motorcycle. I'm gonna get a car. Cars are better than motorcycles. No, they're not. I like both, actually. Oh. By the way, I will not just do gaming videos. Most of the time,
spending $200 on vintage footwear is anti-capitalism.
I would do that. Okay. I actually have a pair of $150 shoes that are LeBron 13s, and they feel perfectly good on my feet. So just keep that in mind. Okay, what are we gonna do? I want to do car stunts, but I know if I do, I'll die. So I don't. And hold up, I had to do that. God damn it! Stupid people. I'm not a fool. Unlike some people, and I love using this because I can just drift like that and plot on. And just be like, oh shit, bam, bam. And then when you're like, jump in the corner, what the fuck, yeah! What the hell did I just say? Oh shit, no! Forget about this. That was bad. Just keep that. Yeah, you lame ass bitch. Woo! Yeah. Yeah, you're probably like, holy crap, this kid is swearing. Oh my god. What a rave. Well, I was gonna say I'm 11, so shut the fuck up, but, oh. No, because I'm not 11, I'm 10. Yeah, I'm 10. What the fuck? This is a sweet ass car. Look at it. See? should have a drifting session here. God, I love this. Turn it around, down. Watch this. Never mind. I'll find someone. Never mind. What the? Hey, you got it on my spoiler. That was bad. Oh yeah, making whatever I just said. Wow, bitches fucking shit up like me. Damn it. Wee. You see me rolling. 3, 2, woo! For God's sakes! Goddamn, wait, open your damn eyes. Oh, bitch, get me.
Just what I need.
Ah! Gotta go fast. Gotta go fast. Hey, bitch. Don't give a shit about you. Okay. Whee. What a freaking party that was. You know, I just died randomly. Yeah, this sucks. They can suck my dick. Okay, that's just shit. Oh, by the way, sorry for swearing. I just do. So you better stick with it, because it's going to keep happening until the end of the world. Okay, so yeah. So I'm trying to make better quality YouTube videos by posting them from PlayStation, but I can't. You know what? Because, well, as you see right now, I'm trying this, and I forgot all the YouTube information. But sometime I will get the same channel, or I will actually do this. I might create the same channel, except I am going to basically, basically what I'm going to do is like, just put newer videos on here. Same profile, but not profile picture. Yeah, profile picture. My logo, you know. Because my name's Riley Dab Got Milk, so I kind of made my, oh, Michael's not here anymore. I forgot. Okay, let's go over here. I don't know what to do in this video. I never know what to do. I'm never prepared. I just don't really give a shit, and I just turn on the camera and I'm like, hi guys! By the way, I'm going to play other games than just Grand Theft Auto. Cause you guys were probably like, holy shit, and blah, blah, blah. Yeah, me. But anyways, what I'm gonna say is I just want to thank you also for getting 5 likes in 1 hour, which is pretty great. And whoa, shit. So since I got that, and then I think I'm over 100 views on my whole channel in all, and 1 dislike, which is good, but really that person did it. I'm just like, well, they're probably like, oh, I can do better, when really their YouTube channel looks like a freaking Jacob Sartorius. Yeah. Okay. Oh, I got an idea. I have a challenge. Okay. So the challenge is to climb on top of the bus, if I can get onto the bus, and stay on there for as long as I can, and get the cops on me, and see how long it takes for them to kill me. So let's do it. Better freaking move. Keep on going, or else I'm gonna shoot you in the face. Go! Well, that's how you make a bus go when you're on top of it. Oh shit. cops on me and I'm gonna kill you all. Got the cops on me, but I'm gonna kill you all. Kill you. Kill you. Do I have anything else? No. Ooh, shotgun. Ooh, I killed both of them at the same time. I love doing double kills. These people deserve to die. Oh. Oh! Where are the cops? Oh shit. Beep beep beep. Oh shit! I gotta run. Gotta go fast. Hold on. Kill you. Did I just pop his tire? Oh my god. Ooh. Let's kill both of these. Yeah, boy. This is fun, isn't it? This is a bus challenge. How long can I last on the bus? This video wasn't actually all dedicated, and I don't know, but I just thought of this for a good idea. And oh shit. Where are the cops? Holy fuck! Look at all the cops! Oh my god! Hey bitches! Oh shit! Yeah, boy! Thanks for hearing me. I bet the guy in the bus is just like, what the fuck? Like, what the hell's going on? Ooh, bitch. Ooh, bitch. Everybody on the bus is probably scared to death and probably shit their pants already, but what the fuck is he doing? Oh shit. Well. Okay. Look at the. What the frick? Shit. Oh. Yes. Oh, Riley. Auto parts. Oh, by the way, you don't spell my name the same as O'Reilly's, okay? My name is spelled R-I-L-E-Y. Okay, I'm about to die, I think. At least, I think. Yeah. Oh, bitch. You know, you get freaking bitches. Bitch. You beat. Hey, beach. Yeah, bitch. Oh, I didn't say beach. Okay. Oh, you. Well, there you go. Hey, bitches. Oh, I don't want you. I didn't kill any of them. Whatever. Oh, this is such a long freaking part of this game. Oh, shit. Oh, fuck. Okay. You know what? I might as well end this video right here. Remember to subscribe, like the video, check out my second channel, Riley Boss, do vlogs, and I will see all of you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.